Hi, to scan your Samsung Galaxy S25 for unknown trackers, just open your phone settings. From here, scroll down to find Safety and Emergency tab, and then scroll all the way down, and on the bottom of the display, choose Unknown Tracker Alerts. And now to scan your phone for unknown trackers, just tap on the switcher to allow alerts, and now it will do it automatically. But if you wanna run this test right now, then scroll a bit down and choose to scan now. Now it is checking for trackers near you and that are separated from their owner. So let's wait a bit more. And in my case, no tracker is detected. So if needed, you can run this test again by tapping Scan Again, or you can just go back and enable automatic alerts. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.